roses, and you're not here. I need a big love from the girl's song. Yes, I need a backhand love from the girl's own beauty. Don't believe that didn't know I was so small. Couldn't stand it up, Mr. St. John. Just bring your son.
Have a seat. Can I clip this on you? Can you do that? There we go. Very nice. You wrote that one in the bathroom, I understand. Is that right?
No.
Yes, I didn't. I read that? Did you write a lot of music in the bathroom?
I write a lot of music in the bathroom because of the acoustics. Even I sound better in the bathroom, you know? You know, it's true, those tiles.
The tiles, the whole thing works?
All of it works.
You know, I was looking through the interesting photos in this. I'm not looking go any further. Just fascinating stuff. Great stuff, actually. How does one get the... You just shoot whatever you're thinking, whatever you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, see, you have to buy it to see what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, but it's fascinating.
Well, let's put it this way. The whole thing is, it was about exposing that which is hidden and that which is not kosher.
I couldn't agree more. Boys of Pele, the CD, and congratulations on your debut, number 2.
Yeah, thank you, Jim.
Only get one day. We're right back right after this. Tori Amos.